Get ready for a game changer in the world of smartphones. Samsung has just announced the date for its next highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event. This event is set to introduce the latest additions to the Galaxy family: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, Galaxy S25 Ultra, and potentially the Galaxy S25 Slim. We've already seen a plethora of leaks hinting at their sleek designs, advanced displays, powerful cameras, robust processors, extensive memory configurations, and long-lasting batteries. But as the excitement builds, there's one more tantalizing detail that promises to set the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart from the rest. According to a popular tipster from China known as Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to revolutionize video quality, particularly in low-light environments. While the tipster didn't provide a direct comparison, it's safe to speculate that these improvements are aimed at surpassing the capabilities of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This enhancement is expected to elevate the smartphone video experience, making it a standout feature in the upcoming flagship model. The key to this remarkable upgrade lies in the Galaxy S25 Ultra's powerhouse processor. Ice Universe hints that the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is anticipated to be a significant upgrade from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 found in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, will play a crucial role in delivering these video quality enhancements. This new processor is expected to bring substantial performance gains, particularly in handling complex tasks like low-light video recording, resulting in clearer, sharper, and more vibrant footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. However, there's a catch. These improvements in video quality are exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, meaning older models, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra, won't benefit from this upgrade. This raises a significant point for potential buyers considering an upgrade. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just a step forward, it's a leap into a new era of smartphone videography. But what about the rest of the Galaxy S25 lineup? Ice Universe's focus on the Galaxy S25 Ultra alone brings up some intriguing questions. Why are the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Slim mentioned in relation to this feature? One possible explanation is that these models may not have the same level of processing power as the Ultra, potentially due to using different or less advanced processors. Alternatively, Samsung might be positioning the Galaxy S25 Ultra as the flagship device that offers the most premium features, reserving the standout capability for its top-tier model to differentiate it from the rest of the lineup. While we await the official unveiling to get all the details, the anticipation is palpable. For those curious about the software side of things, the latest One UI 7 Beta 3 offers a sneak peek into what Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphones will bring to the table. This new user interface version is expected to come with a host of enhancements that will complement the hardware upgrades, ensuring a seamless and intuitive user experience. Moreover, Samsung has already opened pre-reservations for the Galaxy S25 series. If you're eager to be among the first to experience the cutting-edge technology of these new devices, pre-reserving could be a smart move. Not only does it secure your spot in line, but it also comes with potential benefits, which could include early access, exclusive offers, or additional perks that make the wait even more worthwhile. Thank you for joining us as we explore the exciting future of Samsung's Galaxy S25 series. If you found this deep dive into the upcoming innovations helpful and you want to stay on top of all things Samsung, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop with the latest updates, insights, and tech news. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue to bring you the most exciting developments from the world of technology. Stay tuned, and until next time, keep exploring. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.